Hello, welcome to Clojure Diary. You might know, like, I would have done videos about dig. That is a function I just wrote it. I just wrote a function called dig, in which you can take a sequence and you can just dig inside the data, like no matter how deeply nested it is. And then I did a video about get in. I'll put it in the notes for this video. And now what I'm just going to show is like one of the person who's in Clojure Telegram group. I'll also link a Telegram group in the notes for this video. He just told me this one, like you can use reduce to sequentially get inside any what to say sequence and all those things, like no matter how much deep they are and all those stuff. So let me just show to you. So this is data. So like, yeah, so I'm just loading it. So I just don't want to type this entire data inside function and all that stuff. So that's the thing. And there is a function called dig. Okay, so I'll just explain to you how it works while I execute it. So I hope, yeah, that's the best way to explain it, right? So now you just have data and dig to. So what if I do put dig to? So you just have data. Okay, so this one, right? So let me just put data over here, and yeah, you just have it. So 0, 1, and 2. So it is this big array over here. So yeah, so this will just get out. Okay, so yeah, so you've just got this big array, right? So now what I'm just doing is like data dig to, right? Okay, so this actually passes to recur. Okay, so what happens is, okay, like if I sorry, this passes to reduce. Okay, so yeah, so if I just put like, okay, like println, and then and then uh, indexes. Okay, so I just put like that, right? So what really happens is, right? So let me just execute. Let me just evaluate this. Execute this. Okay, yeah, I just get two over here, right? So that's the thing, right? And yeah, so what happens over here is, so the first two gets executed, so you just get this one, right? And now the second two, yeah, so the second, okay, I can't put two, okay, yeah, let me put like uh okay, 2 and 1 over here, yeah, 2 and 1 over here, right? And yeah, so this is the zeroth element, and this is the first element. Don't ask me why in programming the first thing is called as zero. That's ridiculous, but only Julia seems to have solved this very simple problem. Okay, so that's the thing, right? So yeah, so now I just got the first element. So this reduce first reduces this into this one, right, for the first two, right? And then it takes the first element of this one. So the first element of this one is nothing but this one, this map over here, right? Now what I can just do is like put keyword b over here, right? So I just got whatever is there in b over here, right? That's what reduce to. It just takes recursively, it just keeps reducing it, okay? And then I can just put c over here, right? I can just put c over here, yeah. And now it's 42. This is the ultimate answer for life, universe, everything, right? So that's the ultimate answer, right? So yeah, you can do it this way. So this was what to say, like told to me by a guy in Clojure Telegram group, and I will put this code in what to say, like in the notes for this video. Okay, so I will do that. So yeah, so they seems to be like, okay, like Clojure seems to be okay, like very what to say, perfect on syntax and all those things, like and very simple on syntax, but it also seems to give many ways to do things just like Ruby does. And I was a Ruby programmer, and sorry, I am still a Ruby on Rails programmer, but I'm just trying to get into Clojure. I don't know like whether I'll be successful or not, but uh, the richness where we get in Ruby, or what to say, Ruby on Rails, to do many to do things in many ways seems to be there in Clojure, and that seems really surprising to me. Okay, so yeah, this seems to be a very strange language, and I never thought like I'll I'll even have idea to switch over from Ruby, but yeah, like this seems to be really, really good. Anyway, uh, I hope like if you're learning Clojure, you are learning a wonderful language. And let's see you next week. Bye.